Well, how about I stand right here and take a picture of you?
Could I actually do it on my phone too?
Yep, you can do anything you want.
Oh my God.
Thank you, sir.
Of course, in front of this beautiful baby.
You guys want to, I'm just going to put it on my political page. Can I do that? Would you mind? All right, well, let's go. Luke, come on.
No, come on in, Luke.
Come on, you look beautiful today. Look at that beautiful blue.
I need to look as good as I can here.
It's gonna go nice with that color too. Hang on. Get it a little brighter. The car is almost invisible, but I got the important part. Oh, you guys look great.
All right, hold on. Let me just give her my
I'm gonna do one more with his phone.
Thank you very much.
I had a stock Camaro that would grind on the ground with no help. That's
got air rides in it, so it's not bad. Oh, yeah. Speed bumps.
I could drive mine over regular land and it would be bad. This is something. This could hatch eggs. Cheating bringing a good-looking dog like that. Everyone's gonna want to take a picture.
She's got, yeah, she is absolutely the most photographed thing in our lives.
How can you not?
Yeah, she's fun. That's Bella.
Hi, Bella. Yeah.
You might have heard her barking a minute ago.
Oh, maybe.
When she gets approached, sometimes she can be a little nervous.
She gets a little energetic when she's happy. Who can't be?
What are you doing?
What are you shooting with right now?
I say Fuji X-T5.
X-T5, cool.
1024.
I got the X-T5
Oh yeah.
a couple weeks ago, so.
Oh, nice. How you like it?
I'm liking it. I mean, the 3, everyone raves about the 3.
No, I mean, there's some things that's got my attention for sure.